So in this question, we have to find area of the pink shaded rectangle. So if we have any rectangle and we want to find its area, the formula is length multiplied by width of the rectangle. So let us focus on this pink shaded rectangle. So length will be this distance and width will be this distance. So this is width. Our aim will be to find the value of length and width of this rectangle. So first of all, let us focus on length. We know that this semicircle has a radius of 17 units. So its diameter will be 2 times the radius, that is 34 units. So this length AB will also be 34 units. So if we subtract this portion, that is 9 units from 34, we will get the length of the rectangle. So this will be 34 minus 9, that is 25. Now we will try to find width of the rectangle. For that, let us name this point as P and join P and O. So PO will be the radius of this semicircle, which is known to us, 17 units. Likewise, the width of the rectangle is produced. Let us produce it so that this is 90 degree and name this point as Q. Now if we focus in triangle POQ, this is Q, P and O, this is 17 units. What will be the distance OQ? So O to C is the radius of the circle, that is 17, and QC is nothing but 9 units, we can see here. So 17 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 will be 8 units, and using Pythagorean theorem we can find the distance PQ. So we will get 17 squared is equal to 8 square plus PQ square. So 17 squared is 289 and is equal to 64 plus PQ squared. So PQ squared will be 289 minus 64, which is 225. So PQ will be square root of 225, which is 15. So this length is 15 units. Now if the total B to C distance is 21 and P to Q is 15, then width will be 21 minus 15. So 21 minus 15 is 6 units. Now we can find the area of this pink shaded rectangle. So length is 25 and width is 6. Let us multiply this. So this will be 150 square units. So if you want to improve your foundation in mathematics, do subscribe my channel and do not forget to share it with your friends.